What is up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share a really cool website/app that I found yesterday for movie lovers, and it's called Letterboxd. And what this is that it's a social media platform similar to Twitter and Facebook, but instead of posting photos and status updates, you post about movies. So it's really fun. This has been around for a while, but I just found it yesterday, and I looked on YouTube, and a lot of people aren't talking about this. So I want to share this website with you guys, just in case you don't know about it. But before I get into the tour, if you're new to the channel, I do content just like this weekly on everything in pop culture. So if you're not already part of the cult, you should definitely join right now by hitting the subscribe button. And on to the tour. So this is the homepage, Letterboxd, and don't forget this is an app as well. From here you can see here's what your friends have been watching. So if you're looking for something to watch, you can always come to Letterboxd and get some options from your friends or people you follow. So some of these movies I've seen before, some I've never heard of. So if I'm trying to find something that I'm not used to, I could probably check out You're in the Sisterhood. You never know. This is a movie that's popular with my friends. This is the latest news that's going on. These are popular reviews amongst my friends. So this is a really interactive site for movie lovers. If you scroll down, you can see popular movie lists. So if you have like a weekend off to binge movies, you can always come here to get a good list of movies to watch. From here, I'll show you the profile element. From here, it's very customizable. This is a biopic. I just chose a photo, and this is my username, popcultnet. If you guys thinking about joining Letterboxd, feel free to add me, popcultnet. This is my location, United States. Here's a URL if you guys have a website that you want to share, and your Twitter feed, popcultnet. Over here, this is my bio. I put YouTuber, podcaster, and full-time cinephile. Describes me. I may add to it later, I may not. And over here, if you click on my profile, you can get a gist of movies that I like. I have The Dark Knight, I have The Matrix, Avatar, and Black Panther. So these are some of my favorite films. Down here, you can see what I recently liked. 8th Grade, Split, Black Panther, and Black Klansman. You could click here to see all the movies that I like. If you scroll down, this is a recent review that I did on a movie that I saw last night called The Kid Who Would Be King. So it's really interactive, and people could like my review and people could comment on what I thought about the movie. So it's really fun to share your ideas of, movies. If you scroll over to the activities tab, you can see what your friends are up to. You can see a list that she just made, a watch list. You can see movies that they're into. And the more people you follow, the more options that you have for movies to watch or check out. So it's really cool. Over on films, you can see popular films this week if you're thinking about going to the movies to check something out. And some of these may be on Netflix or Amazon. So it's really cool. If you don't really know what to watch, you can always come to Letterboxd. And I love this website, and I'm obsessed with it. You can scroll down. This guy left a funny comment on Glass. He put, "The GL is silent." That was hilarious. I disagree, but that's a really funny review. You can scroll down for more reviews if you want to. List, like I said, if you have a weekend off or a day off, you could binge movies based off somebody's list of things to check out. Movies with cats. I know some of you guys like cats out there, so this is a good list for you guys. And last but not least, this is people. These are like the celebs of Letterboxd. If you want to follow some celebs or popular people that have taste in movies. So the options are endless, and there's so much to do with this website/app, and I am obsessed with it. And you guys should definitely check it out if you're interested in this. But yeah, that was the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this was informational, or for lack of a better word. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, I do content just like this weekly on everything in pop culture. So if you're not already part of the cult, you should definitely join right now by hitting the subscribe button. And if you guys are on Twitter, here's my Twitter feed. You guys can add me on here as well. I usually post daily if you guys want to check that out too. But with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.